In today's video, I will walk you through how to animate images in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version from there. Animating images is a great way to make still pictures feel more dynamic and engaging, instead of leaving them static on screen. This technique is commonly used in slideshows, YouTube videos, storytelling edits, presentations, and social media content where motion helps keep the viewer's attention and gives the project a more polished look. Once your project is open, import the image you want to animate by clicking on the Import option. After the image appears in your media library, drag it directly onto the timeline so it becomes part of your edit. This places the image into your project where you can begin applying animations and adjustments. Next, click on the image clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. This step is important because the animation settings only apply to the clip that is currently highlighted. Once the image is selected, move over to the right side panel and open the Animation tab. Inside this section, you will find different animation categories, such as In, Out, and Combo. These options control how the image enters the screen, exits the screen, or moves throughout the clip. After choosing a category, browse through the available animation styles and select one that matches the mood and pacing of your project. You will see options like fade, zoom, slide, and other motion-based effects that create different visual styles. Some animations feel smoother and more cinematic, while others feel quicker and more energetic depending on the type of video you are creating. Once you choose an animation, you can adjust the duration using the slider to control how fast or slow the movement appears. Shorter durations usually create faster transitions, while longer durations make the motion feel smoother and more gradual. After adjusting the settings, press play to preview the animation in real time and see how it looks within your project. Watching the preview helps you decide if the movement feels natural and fits well with the overall pacing of the video. If needed, you can go back and test different animation styles or timing adjustments until you are happy with the final result. Once everything looks the way you want, export the finished project using the Export option in the top right corner. And that is how you animate images in CapCut PC to create more engaging and visually dynamic videos.